Hey, Elizabeth, are you supposed to be playing with that? What? What is that? Show me. Are you supposed to play with that?
No.
Nope. You want spanking?
No.
Huh?
Mommy.
Then go put that back.
Mommy,
You are going to get a spanking.
Mommy.
Do you want spanking?
No.
Then go put it back. But that is not what I want to do, she says. This is my battle.
Mommy.
Are you supposed to play with it? No, you're not supposed to play with it. Can Mommy have it, please? Elizabeth, you are going to get a spanking. I am getting up to give you a spanking. Give it to Mommy. Elizabeth. She's running away from me. Look at this. Look at her stretching this foot pedal. She knows she's not supposed to. Elizabeth, come here. Come here. One. Here we go. Elizabeth the Rotten. No. No cheesing. Yeah, I'm showing everybody how rotten you are. That's a bad girl. Cheese. You see how the pops in the hand? They don't faze her. Nothing phases this child. Do they?
Mommy.
Because you're just so happy. You just love everybody. And she's going back to pick up the thing that she's not supposed to pick up. Yep. Cheese. Are you supposed to play with that?
No.
No. Can Mommy have it? Nope. Mommy can't have that. Then she's going to have to get another spanking. You are rotten child.
No.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye. You.
Hey, blow kisses. Blow kisses. Oh, God. Oh, she gave the camera kisses.